here we are at Little India and my grab is here and I'm going to 85.99. Yeah, this is my grab. I'm going to Chinatown. Alright.
Hi.
Hello boss.
Thank you.
How are you?
Okay.
I was just behind you.
Yeah, because I can't stop over there.
yeah.
Okay, we are going to China.
Alright. We go to Chinatown, huh? It's nearby, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hot outside.
Yes.
Hello. So I just arrived to Chinatown. This is a mall and there's the street, Chinatown street. And this all is part of Chinatown. So I think first I'll go to the street and then later come down to the mall. Yeah. Chinatown street. Let's go. I think this whole place is Chinatown. We have to walk around. The mall will come later. Yes. I'm a bit hungry though. Maybe I think I'll have lunch in Chinatown and then head over to other destination. Garden by the Bay, Orchard, and few other places. Let's see how many places we can make it today. Thank you. It looks a bit quiet compared to Little India. Chinatown, the streets are a bit quiet with shops at both sides of the road. You can see a lot of shops there as well as here with all the Chinese things. Wow. Shops at both sides of the road. Chinatown MRT. If you are taking the train, this should be your stop. I thought Chinatown will be too busy with lots of people, but it's a bit quiet. A gym and some foods, restaurants. Yeah. You can see a lot of buildings everywhere. This whole place is like part of Chinatown. You can take all the streets. Yeah, I think we got it. That's how Chinatown look like. So it's like shops everywhere. Writing is in Chinese. And I think now we'll head to the mall, which is also part of Chinatown. And I think I'll have my lunch there and walk around the mall for a while. Let me skip the sun. I don't want to get sweaty. Luckily today I'm wearing shorts. Yesterday I was wearing a trouser which was still hot when we were walking. But today I'm wearing shorts, so I feel okay. I don't feel that hot compared to yesterday. And I'm wearing a loose shirt. Let's go, baby. So basically in Little India, all the shops, most of the shops were owned by Indians. And here it's all Chinese. Yeah, so let's head over to the mall so we can see what's going on inside the mall. This is the side of the mall, so we can go through the main entrance. Okay, this is the mall. I can feel the cold breeze coming out of the mall. It feels good. Wow. Oh, so basically it's like a Chinese mall too, I think. Maybe I'll head over to McDonald's for my lunch, or walk around first, see if we can find something. The McDonald's look like packed, very busy. See, there's a queue line. But the thing about living in Brunei is everywhere you go, it's like nobody is there. And sometimes I like that. No queue, nothing, no rush, not too many people. But here you saw the McDonald's there, like people queuing. Mostly it's fashion, clothing, and then home things. Yeah. With the Chinese style red carpet. Restaurant and cafe, Chinese food. Looks like pizza, noodles, seafood, all those things. Oh, I think that's all. Chinese style noodle. I think I'll head down to McDonald's and have my lunch there. After that, I'm going to my next destination, the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. These are everywhere, man. The Coffee Bean, Starbucks, KFC, McDonald's. Oh, sorry. I was a bit. Alright, so I'm going down to McDonald's. How can I go? I think I use this way. Yeah, so that's basically the Chinatown. Outside there are like Chinese street shops all over the road. You can walk from one side to the other, and this is a little mall which is part of Chinatown. Here you can do shoppings, and I'm going to eat. I'm hungry, man. Oh, I think McDonald's is the other side. This is Songfa, some Chinese restaurant. They divide McDonald's and the restaurant. I'll go to McDonald's. It is quick and easy rather than waiting. Okay. Where should I place my order?
247
Made for Singapore.
977 mobile order.
Pick up mobile order here. Collect. Where's the order? Oh, I think I have to give the order there. Okay. Let's proceed here. Start order. Eat in. I'll take what's new. Nuggets. Family meal. Honey butter. Popular. Double quarter pounder with cheese meal. I think I'll go with Big Mac, all-time favorite. Big Mac of size meal. Big Mac meal. Of a size meal. Yeah. Honey butter with shaker fries. New. I'll go with the normal one. Drink consistent Coke. Large. Errands. I think I'll need to pay through card. Check out. No thanks. Complete order. I think I'll pay cash. Okay. Let's head over to the counter. 83. Alright guys, so I'm waiting for my order. I'll eat my lunch here and then I'll move to my next destination from here. So see you guys there. I'm not sure, maybe I go Garden by the Bay, Orchard. I will search because I only have today left. Tomorrow I'm going to Bali. Just one day. So I'll try to see as much as possible. So see you guys in the next video and make sure to follow and subscribe because the best will come in Bali, I guess. That is my kind of place. It's like beaches, relaxing, all those things, and can travel a lot in nature. Singapore is just alright. It's too busy, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye bye.